Hi, it's starting out with NuWave Recipes. Sam's Club has some new waffle fries out that are getting a little buzz. So I'm going to cook those up in the NuWave Brio 14Q digital air fryer oven. We're going to see how those waffle fries taste and how well they cook. And we're going to get started right now. Alright, so here are the Sam's Club. Their brand is Members Mark. They're Southern style waffle fries made with 100% real potatoes, in case you thought they were making waffle fries with something other than potatoes. They're letting you know 100% real potatoes there. No artificial colors, grade A potatoes, and zero trans fat. One thing I noticed about this bag, sometimes when you get things frozen, the makers of the product will give you a bag that you can reseal. This bag's not resealable, so now that I've cut it open, I'll have to seal it by some other means than having the convenience of a resealable bag. What I'm doing is I've got a couple of the mesh racks. I've got one that I'm going to put on this first rack holder and another on the second rack holder up. I'm not going to put any up just under the heating elements. I don't want to like overburn the fries or anything like that, but I'm going to just basically finish getting these waffle fries out on the two mesh racks. Alright, so got my 2 racks of fries in there, loaded up, and I'm not going to do a third rack just because I don't want to eat that many fries, so I'm just doing 2 racks. But I want to hear in a comment, what do you folks do when you are faced with this situation where you get a frozen product, a big, huge bag like this 4-pound bag, and they don't give you a way to reseal it? How do you handle that? Do you just like clip it, or do you put it into some other freezer protected bags, or how do you deal with that? Just like to hear your thoughts on that. But what I'm going to do is get these fries cooked up. Going to close up my NuWave Brio 14Q, turn it on, and they have air fryer instructions. Whoa, they have air fryer instructions. Okay, they say preheat the air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, fill the air fryer with potatoes, cook for 12 to 13 minutes, and shake them halfway through is what they said. Alright, well, I wasn't going to preheat, but given they are giving specific air fryer instructions to preheat to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these out. I'm going to let things preheat. We'll preheat it. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm going to turn my temperature down to their recommended 360 degrees Fahrenheit, right? Yeah. 360. And their time of 12 to 13 minutes. So I'm going to do 12 minutes, and I'll move the racks around after 6 minutes. But I'm going to do a preheat and start. I'll bring you back after this is preheated. I was wondering why my preheat's taking a while. I need to change my wattage up to 1800 watts. When you unplug this cooker, sometimes it reverts the wattage to like 900 watts. So now that we got our wattage up, it should finish its preheat faster and definitely cook as things should. Alright, our preheat is completed. Opening up. I'm surprised they have air fryer instructions, Because they're so new, they can actually provide instructions for new cookers. Alright, got them in, closing up. Let those cook for about 6 minutes and then I'll swap those racks. Alright, 6 minutes have passed. Opening things up, going to swap these racks around so we can try and get as even a cook as possible on these Southern style waffle fries. Oops, sorry about that. Closing up. Bring you back. Alright, we're coming into our final seconds here of these waffle fries cooked for 12 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And so with it done, I'm just going to open up. Let's see what's going on in here. Check out what's on top. That's how they look. Just going to grab a couple from that row there, from that rack there. And down here, just grab a couple of these. Looks like a very even cook. It looks like the instructions are pretty solid. I'm just going to set these down here so they're not too close to that heating element. But have a look at these waffle fries. Look good. Let's get the camera moved and start taste testing. Alright, so here's our waffle fries and it's taste testing time. Alright, so they turn out good. They taste pretty good. They don't have any, they don't seem to have a lot of salt on them. And I like mine without a whole lot of salt. So, basically you can add salt if that's your preference. But they turn out good and, they cooked up pretty quick. So, I definitely like these waffle fries. I wouldn't say they're better than Chick-fil-A's waffle fries, no way. I mean, Chick-fil-A's Chick-fil-A. But these are very good and they turned out well. And so, anytime you want some waffle fries at home, you can just cook them up from the frozen bag there, and they turn out decent. So, definitely, if you want, give it a try. You can find this and other heating instructions and recipes. Well, this one, I won't have any documented heating instructions. They gave them to you on the bag. So, in this case, it'll just be a video. Anyway, you can find other heating instructions and recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always come to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. I'm always on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. Also, you can find referral links for the cooker and other things that you might want to get in the description box. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and good eating.